Guys, I wanted to do one for you. This is the first one on your quick check. So remember here, the idea is the first thing we want to think about is our perfect squares. And remember let's just talk, this is called the radicand, the number under the radical sign. And then this is the radical. So the radicand is the thing that we are unsquaring. Okay, so since 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, and so on. What we're looking for here is a perfect square that 19 is greater than and another one that 19 is less than. So we're getting close to it because 4 squared is 16. Okay, we're looking for 19. 5 squared is 25. All right, so if we think about our number line here, okay, and we want to think about our squared number as, let's see, our square number as the radicands. So we know that if 25 is the radicand, then the square root of 25 is 5. If 16 was the radicand, then the square root of 16 would be 4. Okay, now, again, we're guessing here. We don't know where the square root of 19 is, but we know it's somewhere in here, right? It's got to be between 4 and 5, but we don't know where. So for right now, square root of 19 is a big question mark. We don't know where to put it on the number line. So we're going to start guessing. Okay. I know that 4.5 is halfway between 4 and 5. Okay. But now what I'm going to do is figure out what's halfway between 25 and 16. I don't know. So they are, what, 9 units apart? I don't think that's right. Okay. And so half of that, I'm going to divide that by 2, and I'll get 4.5. Okay. Um, is that a coincidence? So no, that's not right. The square root of 4.5 squared? Oh, yeah, duh. Okay, so if we take 4.5 and square it and unsquare it, okay, that's halfway between. Sorry there. So remember, the radicand is the square root squared. So that's why the 4.5 and the 4.5 are the same. It's not a coincidence. Okay, so now I want to find what 4.5 squared is. Okay, and I'm going to look and see, is it bigger than 19 or is it smaller than 19? Because then I'll know if square root of 19 goes on the left or the right. So 5 times 5, 25, carry the 2. You can do this on a calculator if you must. It's kind of fun though. It's 18. And then I've got 2 decimals. So I'm going to put like that. Okay. So what I'm going to put up here instead of 4.5 squared is this number, 20.22. Okay? And guess what? That number is greater than 19. So now I know 19 has to be in here somewhere. All right? So I'm going to start trying numbers. I'm going to make more guesses. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll start with 4.1. Okay, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, and we'll see what we get. Okay, why don't I use the calculator just to like speed this up a little bit. So this is the calculator that comes with my computer, and I'm just going to use it to do 4.1 times 4.1. 16.81. Okay, so the square root of 16.81 would be 4.1. But 16.81 isn't that close to 19, is it? It's not that close. So I'm going to keep going. I'm going to try to get closer. You know, now that I think about it, the 20.22, that was actually really close to 19, wasn't it? So I think I'm going to try this 4.4 next, because that last one was really close. So what is 4.4 times 4.4? 19.36. That's still a little too big. 19.36. Still too big, isn't it? Let me see what 4.3 is. Let's check it out. I'm excited for it. 4.3. What's that going to be? 4.3 times 4.3. 18.49. Wow. 18.49. Okay. So now check this out, you guys. Now I know it has to be in here. It's going to be in between the square root of 18.49 and the square root of 19.36. And then which one is it closer to? I think it's a little closer to the 19.36, isn't it? Think of it like money. So 18.49 and $19 and 19.36. Okay, we're only 36 cents away from this guy, and we're more than 50 cents away from the 18.49. So what I'm going to say here is that the square root of 19 is very close to the square root of 19.36, meaning it's very close to 4.4. And that's my answer. All right. Whew. These are hard, you guys. Hard to keep it all in my head.